Hello, this is the outcome of the waist bead. You can see how beautiful it's looking. No lobster claws, no tie, no hook. You can see how it's looking so beautiful. It's just a loop and a button. So the accurate measurement for this waist bead is to measure from the loop down to the button. So the best measurement, accurate measurement for waist bead, for body jewelry, is without cloth on. That is when you get the most accurate measurement. So if you like this video, if this video has benefited you in one way or the other, please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and your comment in the comment box about waist bead, whether you like to wear it or not, or whether it's positive or negative view. Please drop your comments. I would like to read some of your view on waist bead. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Stay safe and bye bye.